Alright, what's going on, guys? Well, before we get too far into this, total disclaimer, this is not a build an exhaust, startup, rev, idle, drive-bys, windows up, windows down, any of that type of thing. This is basically an update vid on my build that I have going on right now. We're going to be building the exhaust, and that's it. My engine is not wired, it's not even close to firing. So if that's what you're here to see, unfortunately, that's not going to happen. So now you know before you waste a bunch of time. I don't need to see in the comments, why didn't you start it? That's why. So if seeing how I'm going to build the exhaust is something you're interested in, stay tuned because that's what we're going to do next. Alright, so now that we're clear on that, if you're sticking around, awesome. But what we're going to be doing is we're going to be building the exhaust. We're going to be coming off of my long tube headers that I have and into my Black Widow mufflers and then straight dumps right before the rear trailing arm crossmember. So I actually got started on this before I had the mufflers, just going off of some preliminary measurements, and what I have going right now isn't necessarily going to work. So we do need to switch things up a bit. But not a big deal. We are going to go from there. So basically what I did is I started with the original cross member, and what I was going to be planning on doing is going up and over and running from there. Let me show you where we're at with that. When we come over to the truck, the long tube headers, they come pretty dang low, and you can see they come actually below even what the cross member is. I just have this cross member. So the idea here was come up over the top of it, which I've got a pretty good start on. Now with the muffler, it wasn't going to fit without hitting here if I just went straight back. So I do have them angled in just ever so slightly, as you can see. Well, the problem is the muffler comes to here, and where the dump would be is right where the drive shaft would be. So that's not going to work. So we're going to have to switch gears, and the way that we are going to do that, I got a different cross member, and then when we get to here, instead of, let me show you, most likely, and we'll see when we get there, this is going to be a little bit tight, so we may have to angle these a bit, but let's get going on building that, and we'll go from there. Old one's out, got it supported by the jack. We're going to be over here on the new one, and the bolts that bolt into the mount don't fit through there, so we do need to clearance these out a bit. Shouldn't be too bad. Let's get to that. That is in and tightened down. Look how much room we have for activities with this thing. So much. Perfect. So we're going to run basically a straight pipe to here. Then we're going to get the muffler kind of mocked in where it's going to be and see if we do need to rotate it or not. Yes, they are two different sizes because the headers are two different lengths. That's the driver's side. That's the passenger side. Alright, so right away there's definitely some asymmetries. As I tighten down the clamp, you can see this one runs real far over, whereas this one definitely runs truer to the center. And there's still, I mean, plenty of room between these. I think I need to put a little bit of an angle, just a little bit. Turn these in. This one I almost have to have vertical. This one just needs a little bit of a tilt. But my concern with that is how low that's going to be. I'd like to tuck it at least frame rail, which isn't ideal, or isn't necessarily going to happen. So you can see that. So I think I need to put a little bend in these. So let's figure what we need here. That's what I'm talking about. So that 5-degree bend there, 5-degree bend closer, and that's pretty damn close. Obviously we're not square to this line in the concrete, but that's pretty damn close. I did angle them just a bit, so they're not flat. So I do poke down just a touch. We'll see if that's going to be a problem or not, but I'm going to go out on a limb and say that's probably not. When we put the hangers on, obviously we can pull up on that just a little bit, and I think I could get a little more rotation to angle these upward just a touch, and that should make a big difference as well. Alright, we're back at it. It's a couple days later. I've been looking at it. I don't love it. I don't love how the mufflers tip, so I do want to try and get enough angle to where they can sit flat. And the way that we're going to accomplish that is probably with another bend piece, but also flex pipes. So let's get these in there and see what we can get out of it from an angle standpoint. Alright, well I put another 5-degree bend in each and they look better. So now I also put these little flanges on the flex pipe so they fit right in here. So now we just got to get the flex pipes adapted to this based on the length. After mocking it up, this side definitely needs a little more work, but I'm really happy with where that is. It's actually tucked up in the frame rail. So I mean, that's exactly where I want it. So this side just needs a little bit of work. I'm going to put the flex pipe on this one. I might only have just one flex pipe. It might look funny, but got to do what I got to do, I guess. I am certainly no pro, but I will take those welds, that's for sure. Working on getting the hangers in place. I got that side done. Now I'm just going to mock up this side and get it welded in. Just like that, the exhaust is done. Hangers are in, turn downs are in, everything finished welded, bolted up, and that's just a real good look of over top. Just barely hangs down into the frame rail, so much better. The muffler's actually just a touch higher than where even the headers come down. Alright guys, that is another thing off the list, so we're going to check that one off. What we're going to do next, I'm not entirely sure, to be honest, so stay tuned for that, and we'll just, again, keep knocking things out. We're going to get started on that bodywork for the cab here very shortly, so maybe that'll be next. Anyway, see you later.